you here, but you here. Saw you posted up on the wall leaning, drinking that yak, tryna act cool, but I peeped you though. Eyes kept sliding every time I passed by, like you knew this moment wasn't gonna last. I ain't no fool, I ain't playing no games either. I know you got a ninja, and I got a woman at home too, and that's what make it messy, that's what make it real. That town tension for real, yeah, I know. I ain't talking rings, I ain't talking plans, just a late night hookup. Understand? Don't front. If only for the night, let me slide in, let me ride that thing. I put the world in your hands, it's thick, and I ain't talking bad, sexy, yeah. We both know this is a deadly game, so it can only be for a night. If only for a night, and we gotta be done before the morning sun. And if you're fucking with me, I'll give you everything I got. You said, my boy, you wrong for that, but you still right here. Body language louder than what you saying, yeah. We both grown, we both know what's up in this. Ain't no fairy tale, just other lovers loving each other, and no God, I ain't tryna save you, you're a big girl and you and I just gotta live in this moment, because tomorrow's back to our real lives, and back to the rules of the game where we act like we don't know each other. But tonight we fucking, yeah. If you don't mean it, cause once I'm in, I'm all the way, yeah. Straight up, straight up. If only for the night, let me slide in, let me ride that thing, yeah. I put the world in your hand, I'm not talking bad, don't make me beg. If only for the night, and when the sun rises we should be done, and baby girl, only for the night, only tonight, for the night. It's that late night Oakland shit, windows cracked, bass knocking, and you say you shouldn't, but you want it just like I do. But you say you good, but you still good, watching the players every move, yeah. I know, yeah. If only for the night, yeah. They missed it. If only for the night, yeah. If only for the night, yeah.